tomorrow, I finally leave Dayton, Ohio to start cycling around the United States. I've been preparing for this trip for the last about 9 or 10 months, and now I'm at that weird point where I'm just, waiting around and getting ready to finally head out. Today is basically the last normal day before this whole thing starts. I've been planning this US tour for months, and tomorrow I finally leave. This is basically my entire life for the next several months, up to a year and a half. I swear, I have packed and repacked this setup so many times at this point that I pretty much know where everything goes. Tonight, honestly, might be the last comfortable night I have for quite some time. Make sure you hydrate.
Questions hold you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on, on and on. I'm moving on and on, on and on. I'm driving in my car, the road is long and full of dust. The landscape changes around me.
I'm no doubt going to miss being here in Dayton, Ohio. I've been here for about 9 months, and a lot has happened. A lot of growth has happened. And now I'm prepared for this next chapter of my life, but I can't help but feel like, damn, I'm leaving something behind that's really nice. And I love the city, man. The city's great, and I'm always going to love Dayton, Ohio, man. So I definitely appreciate everything Dayton has done for me, and grateful for this beautiful city. It's really weird that I've been wanting to leave for so long, and yet I still, have this feeling that I want to miss, the normal routine of life, even though that's what I'm running from. I'm chasing something different, but at the same time, you can't help but notice that after you get used to something for so long, you kind of miss it, especially when it's not really all that bad. And it really wasn't all that bad, but still, can't wait to go still.